Is this an easy or a difficult problem? Let me know in the comments below. Let's go. The vertices of a triangle, this triangle right here, consist of 3 points which, where the parabola, this parabola, intersects the coordinate axes as shown. Okay, so they're asking what is the area of the triangle, this triangle right here. So the first thing we want to do is find the x-intercepts of the parabola to find out the position of these where the triangle meets the x-axis. So we want to find the x-intercept of the parabola. We know how to do that, so we're going to go ahead and set the y value equal 0, because you see at the x-intercept the value of y is 0. So we're going to set this equal to 0 in the equation given here, 7 minus x squared. So 0 equals 7 minus x squared. So let's go ahead and bring the x squared to the other side. So we have x squared equals 7. Now let's take square root on both sides to solve for x. And then we get basically, when we take the square root of both sides, we get plus minus square root of 7. So then the intercepts here, that's positive square root of 7, and that is negative square root of 7. Okay? All right, so the second step that we're going to look at is find the vertex, because we need this point as well to find the area of the triangle. So we want to look at the vertex of the parabola. And if you remember, the vertex is the x value of the vertex is given by negative b by 2a, and the y value is given a function of that, the function of negative b by 2a, the x value. Okay, so let's go ahead and find the x value of the vertex first. For these coefficients, negative b by 2a, here you see a is negative 1. There is no b because there is no x term, so b is going to be 0. And this is c. 7 is the c term. We don't even need the c term in here. We need only negative b by 2a. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the x value. Negative b is 0. We said there's no x value. 2 times a is negative 1. So that is 0. The x value of the vertex is 0. So I'm going to calculate the y value of the vertex by substituting the x value of vertex as 0. So the 0 squared plus 7 equals 7. So the y value of the vertex is given by 7, and the point itself is 0, 7. Now we can go ahead and calculate the area of the triangle, because we have the base, which is 2 times this distance, square root of 7. This is also square root of 7. So we don't need to do the negative one, because the distance is going to be the absolute value of that. So 2 times square root of 7 is the distance, the base, and then half base times height. And we just said the height was 7. So cancel the 2's, and then finally we get 7 root 7 as our correct choice, which is represented by choice D here. And that's the end of the problem. Have a nice day. Bye.